Hello, my name is Kanal. Today, more and more homeowners are investing in solar energy, but understanding the data their systems generate can still be confusing. That's why we created Solixa, a solar energy analysis website designed to make solar data accessible and actionable for everyone.
According to the EIA database, in Q2 of 2025, net solar generation in Texas reached over 17.5 million megawatt hours, nearly a 51% increase from Q1. In fact, the SEIA highlights that in Texas, there is now enough solar energy installed to power over 5.2 million homes, placing the state second in the U.S. for installed solar capacity. However, according to a 2025 survey by Solar Reviews, 52% of solar installers reported that monitoring and communication issues are the most common post-installation problems, rather than hardware issues, leading to users being prevented from taking full advantage of their investments. Once you log into the website, you'll be brought to our home screen, which provides you all the information you need to know to understand what Solixa is truly all about. On your left, you'll find a mission statement and details about our inspiration and why we decided to create Solixa in the first place. On the right, you'll find information on how to begin using the application, as we understand that it can be complex and a little bit overwhelming at times for new users. Below that, you'll find 4 boxes that describe our key main offerings and what they each specifically do. And you'll also find information on the formats that we take in and what specific types of data that we take from users. On the bottom, we have testimonies from real life homeowners that we asked to test the website and provide feedback.
When we upload a dataset, we were given three main tabs: a summary tab, an anomalies tab, and a forecasting tab. To start off with the summary tab, we were given an AI-powered comprehensive analysis with useful statistics such as energy production, performance stability, and patterns. Below that, we were given key performance metrics such as total energy output and average output. Below that, we were given analysis graphs that are specific to the dataset uploaded, such as a production pattern analysis and energy production over time graph. Finally, below those graphs are key insights and recommendations, such as overall performance, peak production time, and system health, which is excellent for this dataset. Next up is the Anomalies tab. So this tab displays anomalies detected by the platform after reading and analyzing the dataset that was uploaded. So overall, in this case, it created a specific graph to detect efficiency of inverters in this dataset. And you can go through each inverter on the sidebar over here. To change the sensitivity of the anomaly detection, you can use this slider on the side, which will increase the detections of anomalies. Below that is a little description of how to use the chart and also a further analysis of the readings on the chart. Later, there's also another graph about the anomaly distribution over time, as well as performance groupings for whatever's being analyzed by the platform in this tab. Finally, we have the forecasting tab. To start off, you choose a forecasting model such as gradient boosting, random forest, or linear regression. We chose gradient boosting because that's most applicable for our dataset shown by our R-squared score here. Below that is a forecast versus actual comparison graph, prediction error analysis graphs, detailed forecast statistics with a statistical summary and interpretation guide for each statistics that was above, and finally, a complete AI analysis of forecasting with further statistics for users to analyze. Overall, our application's features are perfect for inexperienced homeowners to truly understand their solar data in a simple and concise way. To add on, our platform will continue retaining users because it is free, user-friendly, and engaging by way of motivational design.
Here, we have our gamification element that we are soon planning to implement into the website. In the center, we have our Solixa streak, which is meant to encourage users by showing them how many consecutive weeks they have been on Solixa and by updating the streak badge with different colors each time they hit a new milestone, such as 5, 10, or 25 weeks. On the right and left, we have badges that you can earn by completing specific actions. For example, you can earn EcoSaver by increasing your efficiency 5% in a month, or Green Leaders by sharing tips and reports with neighbors. On the bottom, we have Neighborhood Leaders and My Home Energy Score. The Neighborhood Leaders section is meant to show how you compare to other neighbors or nearby people that you might know. Home Energy Score is comprised of 4 different main elements that overall show your efficiency and how well your solar power is performing. Our goal with Solixa is straightforward but meaningful. We aim to simplify solar data so that everyday homeowners can understand it without technical expertise. With a single dashboard, families can monitor efficiency, track performance levels, and truly understand the impact of their solar systems.
Thank you for your time.